If your website feels like a maze, your bounce rate is a craze, you're in need of a UI/UX daze. Picture this. You've got a great product, a wonderful team, and big aspirations. But there's a snag. Your digital presence isn't matching up. That's where we, Avengers It Looted, swoop in. Imagine your website and app not just as tools, but as experiences. Sleek, intuitive, and converting visitors into fans. With our expert UI/UX design, your business can stand out in the crowded digital space. We blend aesthetics with functionality, creating a seamless journey for your users. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling right and working smoothly. From streamlined navigation to responsive layouts, each element is crafted meticulously to engage and delight your audience. And guess what? An optimized UI/UX design doesn't just elevate user satisfaction, it boosts your SEO, increases your visibility, and ultimately elevates your bottom line. Don't let poor design be the bottleneck of your success. Connect with Avengers It Looted today, and let's transform your digital presence into your most powerful asset. Because in the realm of digital impressions, good design is king.